A very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, and I am fine too. Today I am here to teach you the subject EVS, and for that you have to take out your EVS book and page number 15. Okay? So today we are going to study keeping clean. Okay, what is the name of today's chapter? The name of today's chapter is Keeping Clean. K-E-E-P-I-N-G. Keeping C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Keeping clean. Okay. Are you ready, children? So children, in this chapter, what we are going to learn about? We are going to learn about the things that help us to keep our body clean. Okay? What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the things that help us keep our body clean. Okay? And as you can see, some body parts like hands, teeth, all these body parts are given to us, and then three other options are given from which we have to choose which one is the correct option. Okay, which things help us clean that body parts. So one by one we are going to study which things help us to clean which body part, and we are also going to study about the dirty cloths and clean cloths, whether they need to be washed or not. Okay, so all these details about keeping clean, it can be our body, it can be our clothes, it can be our clean anything, how to keep them clean. Today we are going to study circle the thing that helps to keep the given body part clean in each set. Circle the thing that helps to keep the given body part clean in each set. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to look at the body parts, then we have to look at the options. यहाँ पे क्या बताया गया है? सर्कल द थिंग दैट हेल्प्स टू कीप द बॉडी पार्ट क्लीन इन ईच सेट. यहाँ पे कुछ बॉडी पार्ट्स के पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं और इस साइड में कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. हमको इस बॉडी पार्ट को देख के हम उस ऑप्शन से एक ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा जो कि उस बॉडी पार्ट को क्या कर सकता है? क्लीन कर सकता है. Okay, so in the first picture we can see here one dirty hands, two dirty hands. Okay, so we can see here dirty hands have been given. They are showing the hands, they are showing the hands. Okay, and in these hands dirt is there. Look, so hands are dirty. Now three options are given. Okay, one by one we'll look at each one and then we will decide that which thing will help us to clean our hands. First option is pot. Okay, or you can say flower base. Second one is soap. Okay, and third one is flower. First option is pot, then soap, and last one is flower. So which is the correct option, children? Yes, second one is the correct. So we are going to circle the picture soap, because soap is going to be used to clean dirty hands. Soap is going to be used to clean dirty hands. Can we use the pot to clean our hands? No. Can we use the flower to clean our hands? No. We can use the soap to clean our hands. Okay. In the next picture, we can see the picture of teeth. Okay. Again we are having a picture of teeth. So again 3 options are there. So now we will be start from last side. First picture is umbrella. Second picture is watch. And third picture is a toothpaste and toothbrush. So children, we all use the toothpaste and toothbrush especially when we get up in the morning or having a breakfast. We brush our teeth, no? So which one is going to be used to clean the teeth? Toothpaste and toothbrush is going to be clean our teeth. So which one is the correct option, children? This one is the correct option. Next picture. In the next picture, we can see we have the next body part. So this is this part and this is the hair. The name of this part is hair. So for hair, we are going to circle which option? First option is pen, second option is comb, and third option is electrical iron. So children, what we are going to circle? Think out of the 3 options. Okay, comb. Circle the picture comb. So we all know we use the comb on our hair. We use the comb on our hair. Okay. Comb is used with the hair. Comb is used with the hair. Okay. In the next picture, we have that our feet. You've already learnt in your body part chapter, no? The name of this part is, this is your feet. Okay. So we are going to clean our feet. Now here again 3 options are given. First one is head, second one is nail cutter, and third one is top. Okay, so which one is the correct options? Yes, nail cutter are used to cut our nails. Okay, nail cutter is used to cut our nails. So which one is the correct option? Nail cutter is the correct option. Okay, अच्छा अभी देख सकते हो ये डर्टी हैंड्स दिया गया है ना, और यहाँ पर 3 ऑप्शंस दिया गया है. एक है पॉट, नेक्स्ट वन इज सोप, थर्ड वन इज फ्लावर. सो इनमें से कौन से ऑप्शन से हम अपने हैंड्स को क्लीन कर सकते हैं? सेकंड ऑप्शन से, यानी कि साबुन से ना, साबुन से हम अपने हैंड्स को क्लीन कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए हमने किस पिक्चर को हमने सर्कल किया है? सोप को हमने सर्कल किया है. इन द सेकंड पिक्चर हमने क्या देखा है? यहाँ पे हमारे टीथ दिख रहे हैं ना, तो यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. एक ब्रश और पेस्ट का, देन एक घड़ी का, देन एक छतरी का ना, अम्ब्रेला. सो हमारे टीथ को वॉश करने के लिए और क्लीन करने के लिए हमें क्या ज़रूरत है? हम घड़ी से क्या अपने टीथ को वॉश कर सकते हैं, यानी कि क्लीन कर सकते हैं, और अम्ब्रेला से अपने टीथ को क्लीन कर सकते हैं? नहीं ना. हमें उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? टूथपेस्ट और टूथब्रश. टूथपेस्ट और टूथब्रश से हम अपने टीथ को क्लीन कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए हमने टूथपेस्ट और टूथब्रश को सर्कल किया. ठीक है. इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर यहाँ पे हेयर दिखाए गए हैं ना, तो हम अपने हेयर को कैसे ठीक रख सकते हैं, कैसे क्लीन कर सकते हैं? यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज पेन. पेन से क्या हम अपने हेयर को ठीक कर सकते हैं? नो, पेन इज यूज्ड फॉर राइटिंग. व्हाई वी यूज्ड पेन? वी यूज्ड पेन फॉर आवर राइटिंग. हम तो पेन से लिख सकते हैं बट हमारा हेयर स्ट्रेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. देन इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन इज देयर. इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अपने कपड़ों को प्रेस कर सकते हैं. पर हमारे क्या हेयर को स्ट्रेट कर सकते हैं, क्लीन कर सकते हैं? नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू सर्कल द पिक्चर ऑफ कॉम्ब. कॉम्ब से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अपने बालों को स्ट्रेट कर सकते हैं, है ना? इसीलिए हमको कॉम्ब को सर्कल करना है. उसके बाद इन दिस पिक्चर वी कैन सी आवर फीट. ओके, द नेम ऑफ दिस बॉडी पार्ट इज आवर फीट. यहाँ पे क्या क्या दिए गए हैं देखो. हैट. हैट, व्हाई वी यूज द हैट? वी वेयर द हैट इन आवर हैट. टॉप. टॉप से बच्चे क्या करते हैं? खेलते हैं. एंड हम नेल कटर क्यों यूज करते हैं? हमारे नेल को कट करने के लिए, ताकि हम क्लीन रह सकते हैं, है ना? दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू सर्कल द पिक्चर ऑफ नेल कटर. नेल कटर से हम अपने नेल्स काट सकते हैं, है ना? सो नाउ आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक. ओके, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस वन. ओके, सो मूव टू द पेज नंबर 16. In the next page of the chapter, what we have to do? Look, draw lines to take the dirty clothes to the washing machine. Before starting this, we need to understand what are dirty clothes and what are clean clothes. The clothes that we wear for a long time, and you know our body sweat is there, so clothes will be dirty. हम जो क्लॉथ्स बहुत समय पहनते हैं उसमें डस्ट लग जाता है और बहुत तरह के कीटाणु भी हो जाते हैं ना बहुत देर यूज़ करने के बाद. तो क्लॉथ्स क्या हो जाता है? डर्टी हो जाता है. एंड व्हाट इज क्लीन क्लॉथ? Clean clothes, you can wear it and all good. Okay? Clean clothes you can wear and it all good. It is very important to clean our cloth regularly. Okay? Here you can see the question is draw lines to take the dirty clothes to the washing machine. Here you can see that a picture of washing machine is there and then a lot of pictures of clothes are there. Some are dirty and some are clean. If we found the clothes are dirty, we have to draw a straight line. Okay? Matching the cloth with the washing machine. So that it will be washed over there. Okay? Now we have to find the dirty clothes, then we have to match with the washing machine. If clean clothes are also there, we don't need to match with the washing machine. We have to draw lines only with the dirty clothes with the washing machine. So all of you are ready? Okay, let's start. In the first picture, we can see a picture of cap. So children, here you can see one cap is there. Cap is clean. So we don't need to clean the cap. Okay. Second picture, the picture of a skirt. A lot of dirt on the skirt. It should be clean. So that's why we have to match with the washing machine. Okay. Second picture, this is a picture of muffler. So muffler is clean. Here you can see the muffler is clean. So no need to draw a line. Okay. Or here in the fourth picture you can see a picture of jeans or you can say pant. Okay. You can see there are lots of dust. You can see here. Okay, so it need to be clean. Okay, it should be clean. So match with the washing machine. What is this? Shorts. You can see dust over here. So it need to be clean. So match with the washing machine. Here you can see t-shirt. You can see dust over here. No. You can see dirt over here. It need to be clean. Match with the washing machine. Now you can see socks are there. The socks are not dirty. So it don't need to be clean. Okay. The next picture you can see night suit. Okay. So you can see it need to be clean. So match with the washing machine. And last picture is a swimsuit. It also clean. That's why you don't need to be match. Okay, children? So that's all for today. You have to do in your book. I think all of you understood the topic. Okay, that's all for today. Take care and bye bye.